P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There was a glass.
And that's it.
Here's Potter. Tiny turn from Damsgaard. There it is. There won't be any coming back from that for West Ham today. It's a big blow. With a very precise finish. Well, Wolves were a bit lucky to get away with that. The Fay rolled it into the path of Granit Xhaka. Sunderland couldn't quite accept the gift. Here's Angel Gomez. João Gomez. Oh, Armstrong's header. Tipped up and over by Roos. Angel Gomez.
I'm grateful, really I am. Funny way to show it. What I don't understand is what you hope to get out of these books of yours. What life's about? Something of the truth? The truth? Oh, what do you want with that? Now, look, if you want to be a success in life, forget the truth. I can't just forget it. Well, then stay place to cook that way, it doesn't matter. Sorry, I didn't sell it. Inspectors, I got these on my last stop here. Carlsberg. Pretty, isn't it? £6 it cost in Carlsberg. 6. I can let you have one for 3. £2 then, I can't do any lower. Hello. Fine then, Lord. Are you paying? I'm here on official business. Official? You can have a beer each.
We got wine in the last place.
You better get back to the last place.
We'll take it. Right, this is. It's a warrant. A warrant. For the rest.
Everyone's so sides. Should have done this, should have done that. Man United spent £6 million on me to win the league and I've cost you the league.
Cole missed 2 or 3 great opportunities.
I felt like shit, not gonna lie. And you hear all the time, he's not good enough. So I made my mind up from there and then you come back mentally stronger. Well, you're not gonna
remember ever talking about the treble up until that point. I don't think we were allowed to even talk about it. You knew, before we think about winning trophies, we had to have each other's back.
Second half of that season changed stuff.
Okay, now it's on.
kidnapping and Port Paris. While people have disappeared, my surgery's been broken into twice. Sergeant thinks that whoever it is hiding in those old mine tunnels.
Well, I know those mine tunnels pretty well. I used to play down there when I was a kid.
I guess I'm then ready to start searching them, but
Well, I'll show you around if you like.
you've just come back. You must be tired.
And if there is someone in those tunnels, that could be dangerous. Have a good run.
But he does know the tunnels.
Certainly could use your help. Come on, fine.
Look, I'll just get my bags and
Right. Sounds like the native canning season. Get it up yourself. 3 o'clock. I better get up to the mine and examine the place where the body was found.
Marie is exceedingly poisonous when introduced into the bloodstream, but is non-poisonous when taken through the mouth.
Well, so the other accidental, isn't it? Well, your report suggests that death was caused by malfunction of the heart.
So I just want the bog standard Blu-ray version. And there's 2 films which are at the moment aren't released as the normal Blu-ray. That is Quatermass The Experiment and Quatermass 2. But there's next month or July, and it's a film called X the Unknown. It's like sci-fi. It wasn't just Dracula. They did sci-fi films, and I can't wait to get them. P&J Productions now present Pouring Ale into a Glass.
Bollocks.